we go. Comment. The link here? Yeah. Just post. Where did I? Where are the post? Just post it. Where is the online class access education? Friend, honestly, that's why 3,000 people already there. How do you paste this? You post it on the way. No, wait, that's no.
Okay.
Post this?
Yeah. Does that work?
Pin comment. There we go.
You wanna put it? Okay.
That's what I'm
I will put it after something.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
Hi.
Okay, hi everyone. This is Michelle. Introduction.
So we've started this fundraiser called Vidvata. So it's basically for students to access online classes. Since COVID-19 is like not the parents are not allowed to they're not getting enough financial. What do I say?
Yeah, like people are not nowadays financially stable. Okay, so we started this fundraiser to help everyone who's having trouble, attending online classes and all that. We just nothing.
I'm gonna give it again.
Okay, so that is what this fundraiser is for, and Malak.
Yeah, so you all can go to Vidvata's Instagram account, and in the bio there's the link to donate, and we expect all of you to donate. It would be really nice if this works out. And
Yeah, we're trying our best to help everyone there. And which school are we first donating to?
We're donating into Government Girls Higher Secondary School in Vaikom, and if we get more money than how much we are aiming for, we're gonna be doing more schools. So keep supporting us.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, so
You can ask us like questions.
yeah, anything about it? Like, what all questions do we have?
How do we look?
Well, this is all.
You speak Telugu?
No, dude, this happens. See, face. You're so pretty. Thank you. Okay.
You want to ask
This is Tessa.
Hi, Tessa.
What is this? What even is that?
Megay. What's Meg from here?
Oh, Varun. Okay.
You can ask us questions about the fundraiser.
People like, don't laugh, you both. Dude. Spell correctly, man.
Love you, Chella.
Honestly, I think we should be like little more serious about this because this is a very serious issue that we want to spread, I guess, the awareness or whatever of this.
And we want it to work. So
Yes, so we have everyone. Please go follow the Vidvata Instagram account. I'm so proud of you guys. Tessa, thank you so much, man. Means a lot.
thank you, Tessa.
Oh, how to make fund? Okay. How to make fund? We are trying to make fund for this, but you can donate by going through to the Milap website.
We've
and
actually started an Instagram account, so you can finally Michelle. Tessa, take that compliment back.
but you can go to our Instagram account, not ours, okay? We'll put it in ours
Vidva,
also.
yeah.
We'll put it in ours in a bit. You can go to the Vidvata Instagram account and click on the link in the bio and donate. So please, all of you, please do that. Right?
Yep.
Yep. It's so awkward. What to do? Okay. What else? Malayalam അറിയില്ലേ?
പിന്നെ അറിയാം.
You want to say this in Malayalam
Yeah,
also?
sure.
Okay. എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. Okay. ഞങ്ങൾ രണ്ടുപേരും This is going to happen a lot in this life, as you can see. Michelle, come here. You're
We're
not
not
frame
really
anymore.
prepared.
Okay. Yeah. So നമ്മൾ രണ്ടുപേരും we have started English. Okay. ഞങ്ങൾ രണ്ടുപേരും ഒരു ഫണ്ട് റേസർ ഇനീഷ്യേറ്റീവ് തിങ് ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുകയാണ്.
അപ്പൊ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും വിദ്വാത്ത എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ സൈറ്റിൽ ചെന്നിട്ട്
സൈറ്റിൽ ചെന്നിട്ട് അവിടെ ഡൊണേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഞങ്ങൾ വിദ്വാതയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഒരു ഇൻസ്റ്റഗ്രാം അക്കൗണ്ട് തുടങ്ങിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ യു കെൻ ഗോ ദർ ആൻഡ് ഡൊണേറ്റ്. Also, you want to talk more about the cause because more people are coming and you just keep repeating what you're saying.
think of something.
Yeah. Well, this is for a very, important cause. And
Yeah.
you know, Sahil, you can leave. Honestly, just leave. Bro. Okay.
Yeah.
Speaking Telugu, please. We don't know Telugu. The only language we know is Malayalam and
English and Tamil. I can't
I
Tamil.
don't know Tamil, man. I know a little bit Tamil. Tanni kudanga. Okay, that's all I know. Can you give me water?
Yeah, so
Yeah, half
please donate.
Michelle, come in the frame, dummy.
Okay.
So this is the. Wait, do you want to show the Vidvata Instagram account?
And you want to put here?
Yeah, I'll put it here.
Don't follow Vidvata.
At Vidvata Nalta. You can do that.
At Vidvata to donate.
You. Link in bio.
To donate. And then that.
Yeah.
Then that. Oh shit. Hey, wait. Cancel this one.
Put it down. Okay.
I won't come. You have to put this.
Yeah? Both are not coming, bro. Now, what did you do it for? Oh. I am
Yeah.
an idiot. So, yeah.
Just leave that there or something.
we were trying to figure out, what to do in this thing here.
Now you can ask us questions about the fundraiser.
Yes, and wow, that's a lot of
You
questions.
both are rocking. Thank
Aw.
you.
How was your career? We both are students. We don't really have a career.
Asking about you.
Oh, sorry. Marks of yours in +2. We are in 10th.
We're actually 11.
Yeah, sorry. Can I be your friends? I don't have friends.
Oh,
Okay, that's a little.
India.
Yeah, I mean, sure, we can be your friends. We're nice people, right? Keep it up. Crush. Keep going these good.
What to donate? Money.
What to donate? You can donate money, and that's what we were
Each
thinking.
of your small contributions are gonna make a lot
Yeah,
of
like
difference.
even 1 rupee is like a huge difference. So we plan on giving students like laptops and mobiles, phones, and TVs if we do make a lot of money with this. So that's what we're planning on giving them. So yeah, please do donate. Do you remember me, Anika Didi? I'm getting so distracted by this, I swear. Yeah. If you have any questions about the
Fundraiser, you can ask.
yeah, sure, give it a go. I don't think people have a lot of
Which class are you studying in 11th?
11th. We're in 11th grade. So yeah, I don't think people are gonna have a lot of questions about this. Everything
Yeah.
is pretty straightforward and it's direct.
Go follow at Vidvata_ and everything about the fundraiser will be there.
Yeah, and we've also posted it on our stories, like, so you can just check that out or whatever. And yeah, that's about
It would
it.
mean a lot if you could donate.
Yeah. What else?
Yeah.
This is pretty much all that we
Awkward.
have to say. Yeah. We're literally checking the Vidvata website here on Millup, and I can't
We
believe
thank you so much for the contribution.
But 2,500 people have-
right now, and it's going up. So keep
I
going.
can't believe it, dude. Oh my god. We've
Thank
only given
you.
like 3 lakh as the goal.
Yeah, we're expecting that much, but if we get
We
beyond that
honestly
also-
didn't expect this much.
Yeah.
It's been like 15-30 minutes.
30
since we-
minutes.
This is crazy, man.
Thanks, and live video in our class group.
What? Bro. Oh no.
Hi, Mehak, if you're here.
It means a lot to us, honestly. We've been working on this for the past 2-3 months.
Yeah,
Wait, no.
and we've wanted to start this so bad.
Yeah,
and we feel like this is the right time.
Yeah.
And,
And
we
we
want
want
to
to
be
help.
able to do this before school starts. So, school won't start anytime. So.
School won't start
Yeah,
anytime
okay.
soon. It's going to be a thing for a little while. So yeah, please donate. Again, I'm saying it. We have given the account
Yeah.
there. We pinned it.
see it.
Sure, why not? We pinned it. And please just go and
What
donate.
is it all about? You want to do that?
What is it all about? Okay, this is.
So it's basically a fundraiser. We'll be giving the money to students in schools who don't have electronic resources to attend online classes. So all the funds we get through Vidvata will be going to them. So we want all of you to contribute your maximum.
Whatever you can.
Yeah.
Like literally anything you can is fine.
Because
Yeah.
it's gonna make a lot of difference. Even now
Definitely.
we've got 2,000 fans until now.
Which is crazy
Yeah.
if you think about it.
We literally just posted this
Yeah, I know. Like
30 minutes ago.
I'm just so happy right now. It's crazy, man. Okay, what else? I started following. Thank you so
Thank
much for
you.
that. Blah. This is not important stuff. I will give fun, but can you give any fun?
If you no.
No, we are not giving people funds, Michelle. It's not the thing.
He needs electronic gadgets.
Oh yeah, if you need electronic gadgets for online
Or
classes,
if you have
we
schools,
will-
if you know schools who need it,
yeah,
you
who
can
will like
tell
really,
us.
really need it, you can message us on Vidvata and not in this because I'm not in this.
So yeah, and please share this to maximum people you can.
Yeah, it'll be really. Dude, people so nosy.
Oh god.
Okay, what else? Do you have any crush, Michelle?
No, they're asking that to you.
Maybe to both of us, you don't know that. How to pronounce your name? Anika? This is Michelle. I have like no idea like who
How
is
much
like.
can I donate?
Yes, how much
Can I donate 1,000?
Yes, you
Yes,
can
you
donate
can.
1,000. That would be so much. Oh my god, it's crazy. Also, there was another, this thing. Aju, it went. This is your first step. Do you have any past? That's a really good question. Okay, this is our first
Yeah,
ever
something we're doing it together
thing.
for the first
Get
time.
your head in
so we're hoping this will work out.
Yes.
Then we'll continue to do more.
Yeah, and we were thinking that if this does work out, it can be a little more. Like,
Yeah.
we can donate to more organizations.
We're on Facebook, right?
I mean, that was as part of another thing. This is making our own, so that is.
This is like our first step
huge
towards
deal.
this fundraiser. So
Just
donate.
yeah, it's just all I have to say. Yeah. Where will you guys collect it? Okay. We are going to collect it in
On Mila.
Yes.
It's a fundraising site.
Yeah, it's not a scam and all. It's like a legit thing, obviously.
Totally safe.
Yeah, totally safe. You don't have to worry about your money going.
Actually, just everything is there on Vidvata, the site, on our
That's
Instagram page, and everything you need to know about the fundraiser is there. So
Yeah, so you can just check that out. I know. And 6 of photos. Matthew? Do you know Matthew? So amazing. Is this only for your state? The situation is my. Oh, okay. This is something that. Okay. For right now, we're just starting out as, you know.
because this is the first
Yeah,
school
it's the
we'll
first.
be doing.
Yeah, so as if we like make more money, we're thinking we can branch out to more states and more schools right now because I know that I will donate 2 million for Anika, darling. Please do.
Please,
so
if you
much.
can.
2 million is so much money. Yeah, but
Yeah.
yeah, so we were thinking if this is successful, we can branch out and donate more. Okay.
Like you all know, this is important.
Yeah,
Education
obviously.
needs
What if you lose the money? We are not
We
keeping
won't
the
lose
money
the
around in
money.
our purses. That's not the thing.
No, don't put that.
No. You're 16 years old. She is. I'm not. Wait, you're 16, right?
Yeah.
I'm not 16. I'll turn 16 on November. Okay, from where did the core idea start this program?
So we were just randomly calling one day, and we were talking about starting a YouTube channel.
Yeah, it all started from that. Like, YouTube channel is basically worthless. Sorry for anybody if you. I'm not saying it's worthless.
I
It's,
have a YouTube.
oh, you do. Sorry, guys. Okay, if we started a YouTube channel, it'll probably be
We
like
don't know
full
what to
bullshit. Yeah, it's like us being awkward. But actually, go check out our YouTube channel. It's Michelle Xavier. Okay. Yeah,
No, I
please
don't
do check
post
her out. She
anymore.
sings like an angel.
Angel.
Yeah, you do.
I
sing
don't
like an
post
angel.
anymore.
Okay, it's fine. She'll start posting again. She's lazy.
Yeah. I just need more subscribers. Okay, so yeah, we started like that. We were just calling one day, and actually,
We were
we've been planning this since
For a while.
COVID actually started.
Yeah.
And
we
we're
just
happy
got
it's
around.
working out. So
Yeah. Great. Okay, really nice.
go it's on top. Go to the
Alright, this is the top.
on.
Will you loot money? No.
No.
I like to give 2
Can
crores.
I donate
Please do.
2K now?
Yes, you
Definitely.
can donate 2K right now. I've pinned the comment for the Vidvada account right now. You can go to the account's bio and you can donate should be amazing. What is the meaning of Vidvata?
Vidvata means a wisdom scholarship, and we felt like that was a good name for the situation right now.
Yeah,
so
we are giving money to schools for a very good cause. So
subscribe to Michelle.
oh look,
Thank you, Harry.
can you pin this also?
No,
You can't. You can't pin.
This is not
Stop,
about
stop,
my
stop.
YouTube
It
channel.
can be about your YouTube channel
no,
also.
no YouTube.
Actually, please go subscribe to her channel, just as Irene said. Yes, so that is
follow Vidvata.
Okay, you can do
That's
that.
what
You can
the
do both.
signs
You can
are.
do both. Okay, so Vidvata, that's the meaning of Vidvata, and as you can see, wisdom has a relation with the cause. So yeah. Okay. Will this help others? Obviously, it is going to help others.
This is gonna help others because we're gonna, with the money we're gonna be getting them computers, TVs, laptop, or whatever
Literally
the
anything
school
they need to
needs.
study.
So they can attend classes online. Since so many students can't attend classes online right now
Yeah.
because they don't have the resource for it. So yeah, it's gonna help them, obviously.
Yes. Okay. What else? Blah, blah. Is there a limit to how much you can donate? Pin
No.
it? Okay. I don't know. I'm just okay. There is no limit. You can donate as much as you want, and yeah. I will give 3K. Thank you so much. I will give 2K. Thank you so much. You both look like sisters. No, you don't.
No, no. We're seeing each other after a year, so
Yes. Please wear mask and maintain social distancing now. Get away from
we're
yourself.
safe.
Just kidding.
Yeah, you can see the blinds.
Oh, that's fine. Now where is this thing? Actually, we have sanitized and everything.
Yeah,
we
we're
wear
safe.
masks. We are safe. We're fine. Thank you for your concern. How are you going to find the needy?
We're cooperating with schools. We're asking schools. We'll be talking to the heads of the schools, and we'll be giving the most deserving students. So,
Whatever. How much is your aim, guys? Okay, well.
for now, we've planned 3 lakhs.
Yeah.
But
I won't.
if we get more,
Yeah, we'll be starting out small.
Yeah.
Can I donate 10 million votes? Okay, it's not votes, you have to donate money. What else? Who is near you? Anything for boys?
So
What?
someone else there.
Whatever you tell you start. We don't want to talk about
We
it.
don't want to talk. Dude. You guys, oh my god.
Can I donate 5K right now? Yes,
Yes.
you can. Just go to
Just follow
Vidvata's Instagram.
Vidvata.
On
Everything's there in the
Instagram,
bio.
and yes, the link is in the bio. Do you support online classes for young children at age where when is it what at age when they're neutral development? I don't know what this
You
means.
support online class for young children at an age when their neutral network is developed.
You mean puberty? What?
What are you doing?
I don't know. Can we donate 1 crore? Yes, you can. 10K? Yes, you can. How much have you donated? We just launched the site 5 minutes ago. So,
Yeah.
how about your online classes? We do have online classes going on, but Vidvata is for people who can't attend them. Oh no! Look.
No, you can't say. You wanna reply to. Oh my god. Dude, this
I'm literally having a headache, bro.
crying, guys. Thank you so much.
Who donated that much? 500. Mahesh, who's Mahesh?
One.
Fine, I'm one.
Manish, I think.
This means so much, man. Oh my god.
Guys, thank you so much for donating.
Honestly, when will this program begin? The program has
It's
begun
already-
right
we
now.
just started,
Yeah.
and there's already so much donation. So
This is crazy. You both besties.
sisters. You
What are you doing? Do you have any beauty tips?
yes.
No, we
Water
don't.
on
Yes.
your hair to fix it.
That was something that we did before.
Dude, why are you guys are so
Yeah,
You can ask us questions about the fun.
Can I donate 10K?
Yes.
You can. Oh my god.
It's gonna be of so much help if you donate.
Yes, definitely.
How should we donate it?
How should we donate it?
We've put the what do you say? The mention for Vidvata's account. So if you follow Vidvata, you can see in the bio we've put the link to donate. We've started it in Milap. It's a fundraising website, and yeah, that's all. There's so many ways of donating. You can just check the site out and
yeah. How much has been donated till now? And I do not.
we'll check. Oh,
You don't have to do that.
Okay.
We can just say, what it is.
Yeah.
Where will you buy your clothes? We're not buying clothes, we're buying.
clothes.
Yes.
Is he like generally asking?
I don't know, man. We buy our clothes from online stores sometimes. I don't know. Where do you buy your clothes? Guys, in these. Guys, this is not. Some poor like me also can support, no? Yes, this is legit. We're not, messing around.
This is not online classes. This is a fundraiser for
Online
starting
classes.
online classes for people who can't.
Access like online
Yeah.
classes. Who doesn't have the right resources like a phone or a laptop or a TV for online classes. So that is what this is for.
Yeah, everything will be coming to. It'll be going to.
It'll be going to the Milap website. It's not coming for.
But
to
it's
us.
safe because it's in our bank account and we have total.
Okay, hi. Can you say this
Protect
again? Because now I joined the live because this is a fundraiser thing. Okay, as she
This is
said.
a fundraiser.
Yes.
And we've started this to help students in schools to access online classes whose parents can't give them resources to attend classes right now. So with the money that we're getting through this fundraiser, everything will be going to them. We'll be buying them TVs and anything they require. So we want you to donate. Your small contributions are gonna make a lot of difference. So
Honestly,
please donate.
We've been getting a little bit of money right now, and
And it's crazy.
man. Even if it's a little bit, not a lot.
Yeah,
um,
because we
so
just
much.
started and
Yeah,
there's
it's
so much.
it's not even. It's been 30 minutes, literally. God.
44 minutes of
Oh my god. Is this really going to reach the boy? Yes, it is going to
Yes,
reach
we've
the
already
boy.
identified a school. We're
Yeah.
first doing Wycombe. We're doing Government Girls Higher Secondary School, and if we get more money, then we'll be doing other schools too. You can actually tell us if you know any school who needs this,
Yes.
and we'll be helping.
I'm from Malaysia. How can you donate? Okay. Even if you're from any part of the world.
I think you can.
Yeah,
Or-
I think you can. If you go to the Instagram account mentioned below, and you check out the link in the bio, you can donate it. I think from anywhere. For what purpose are we donating this? It is for the needy people.
We're donating it for students in school who basically accessing online classes. Every donation that we'll be getting will be going to them. We won't be giving them money, but we'll be getting them gadgets and TVs and stuff they require to attend online classes with the money, and it'll be going to them. And this is totally safe. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Don't have second thoughts.
What happened?
I'm telling them don't have second thoughts.
Okay. I was like. Okay, what are you studying right now? We're in 11th.
11th grade.
Yeah. What else is there? We better fix a tab or a mobile phone. Will I be able to need for? Oh, actually, yeah. What they meant is are we taking it from a certain company?
That
We haven't
depends. First, we're
decided
just
yet.
waiting on getting the funds, then we go to the next step.
How much has come?
We've got a pretty
Can I
good
donate
amount.
10k? Tell my name. If you don't donate 10k right now, I
We'll
will
tell
tell your
your
name.
We'll give you a follow if you
Yeah,
want.
if you want, we'll follow you also. If you donate 10k. Wait, is that kind of blackmailing? No. It's
We don't mean that.
yeah.
If you can donate,
Yeah, please do.
we will be happy.
Whatever, even little amount work. Can I donate 3 crores? Yes, you can donate 3 crores.
Yeah.
I can't believe this, Michelle.
Thank you to
3
all those
crores,
who are
yes.
donating right
It
now.
means so much to us. You have no idea. Who inspired you to do this? We inspired each other.
I don't know. We were literally calling each other and we started to do this, and we're so glad it worked.
Yeah.
Because there are students who need this right now, and It's education is
It
important.
started off as a YouTube channel and now it's become such a like a better thing, honestly. What is this?
Set it to a class group.
How excited are you after such a good response?
So happy.
You
We-
cannot. Is this considered a good response? I have like no idea. Can we donate via Google Pay? I
Yeah,
think we
you
can.
can,
You
we
can
can.
donate via Google Pay. Yes, you can donate via Google Pay. Okay, I will donate smartphone for needy person. Okay, you cannot
With
donate
that money-
a smartphone, but you can donate the money to buy a smartphone.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah. What you did? We have children who starve. Can you take an initiative on that?
Yeah, definitely.
We're focusing on this thing right now, and
Because
totally
it is a
depends.
concern
Yes,
right now.
So if this thing grows more, we will definitely branch out into making other,
If this works out, but
Yeah.
we hope this works out.
Yeah, so we can actually donate more money to all these causes.
Yeah. Okay, so for you all to trust, if you trust us, yeah, every progress that will be happening in the fundraiser, we'll be updating you about it in the account. So follow Vidvata, and everything that's happening about the fundraiser, we'll be updating you. So yeah, and yeah. No bad comments, guys.
Okay. Which district will you donate, Anika? I am not donating to a district.
We're
No.
doing schools. And
Yeah.
this.
You're supporting any NGO? Not really.
No. I can ask Pina. I will do. Oh shit! It's not supposed to say that.
We cannot donate more than enough. No, we do not have a limited amount anyway. So donate as much as you want.
Even the least amount you can donate,
Yeah,
because all
like,
your
you
small
can-
contributions are gonna make so much difference.
You can literally donate 1 rupee.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll also do.
Yeah, that'll so much. If all of you donate 1 rupee, we'll have like 10 lakhs.
Yep.
Yep. Can I ask Mr. Beast? As you know, he is charity worker.
Yeah,
Mr. Beast,
sure. You
the
can ask
YouTuber.
Mr. Beast.
Okay.
Crazy.
Yeah. Is this a non-profit business for you? Yes.
Yes.
It is non-profit.
What is that? It's
Non-profit.
It's not.
It's not. It's like
It's involving profit, so no.
no. It's not like we don't make money out of this. Obviously.
Because it's not.
No.
Oh, they're calling me sister.
Can we donate 1 million?
Yes.
Yes, you can.
I sent 2K. Thank you.
Oh my god, it means so much.
Let me verify it.
Did you send 2K? We're gonna verify that. We can see who has sent money in this. Do it. What else? Just go through this. Then,
Guys, thank you
it's been
so
not
much
even
for
an hour.
donating. It means a lot.
I can't believe this. God.
But he didn't lie up for a
I will donate $55 million.
Yeah, we want to see that.
No, we don't want to see that because what does that mean, Michelle?
What? Why does poor people?
What's poor people?
Why is this happening to poor people? Because no.
We don't want to do that. Look, if you donate forward. Wait. Instead of TV, smartphone is best to use. Oh, wait, shit. Well, I don't know.
See, we don't know what they need. That's why we'll be asking
No,
them.
we know what they need, but
As in gadgets.
yeah,
We'll
they-
be talking to the principal and she'll be communicating she'll be communicating with those students who need it, and they'll be telling us what all they need, and with the money we get, we'll be getting it for
to
them.
them.
So
Yeah.
we'll be talking in Malayalam now.
Okay. You learn Malayalam now?
Yeah.
This is the hard part. Okay. എടാ ഇത് മാറ്റം. Yeah,
Every
ഇവിടെ
comment
മാറ്റം.
now we'll respond in Malayalam. That's what we
Oh shit, this thing went up. I tried. Oh shit. Put a heart also. Fun.
എല്ലാവർക്കും ഡൊണേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം.
ഇത്ര വരെ ചെയ്ത ഡൊണേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരു ബിഗ് താങ്ക് യു. ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരുപാട് ഭയങ്കര മീനിങ്ഫുൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു സത്യം പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇത്ര പ്രതീക്ഷിച്ചിട്ടില്ലായിരുന്നു ഇത്ര നല്ലൊരു റെസ്പോൺസ് ഉണ്ടാവും. സോ താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച് ഫോർ ഡൂയിങ് ദാറ്റ്. ആൻഡ് dude, we already have like 100 for
Yeah, it's crazy.
that's 200 almost, and it's crazy, man. And
good enough.
yes, എത്ര ചെറിയ
And please,
amount
ഇത് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യണം.
എല്ലാവരും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യണം. പറ്റുന്ന എത്ര ചെറിയ എമൗണ്ട് ആണെങ്കിലും ഡൊണേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ നോക്കുക. ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ലൈക്ക് ₹1 തൊട്ട് എത്ര വേണമെങ്കിലും ലിറ്ററലി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഡൊണേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയും. എല്ലാ ലൈക്ക് every piece matters, I guess. So yeah, please try and do something if you can, obviously. If you can't,
This
and
is
if
not
you need
forced.
we can't force them to donate, bro. What do you think? I will donate from my pocket money. Okay, this
God will help you for that.
yes, I swear God, you are blessed, child. This would mean so much for us. What is that? I ruined it. What is this Mr. Beast thing?
You donate so much, it's
I know.
impossible.
You think he'll donate for our charity?
Let's see.
You want to text Mr. Beast?
Sure.
Like you.
I'm from Dubai, how to donate?
Yes.
Yeah. So, if it's, I don't know if I've put that option open, but since so many of you guys are saying you want to donate, like if you're from Malaysia and all that, I'm gonna put that option open too. You can donate some euros and all that. So, I'll check that out. Yeah.
So you can donate how much ever you want from any place in the world. Right? I hope so. Yeah.
But please donate. It's gonna mean so much. Already there's so many. Thank you to everyone who's donated right now. We literally started this 1 hour back.
Yeah, I know, it's crazy. I can't get over
If
it.
this works out, we'll be more than grateful,
Yeah,
and
like
it's gonna be so helpful for them too. And yeah,
okay, what is your actual motive? Somebody asked.
where we should donate money. Yeah, we've put the link in Vidvata.
Right there.
We're doing this fundraising site called Milap. So if you go to Vidvata, there's a link in bio to donate, and it just takes you straight to the site. So
Yeah,
you
and
can
it's
donate
very
from there.
straightforward, very easy to donate.
It's very safe.
Yeah.
We guarantee you that.
And it's pretty easy to donate actually. Just
Yeah.
put in your info and just give how much ever money you want. So yeah, please.
You can ask us questions, anything you want, in
yes, and the comments
about the fundraiser.
obviously.
In the
No personal nasty stuff, please. Thank you. What else is that? We already answered all those. It's like
you don't do that.
which district?
It's not really district.
Yeah,
we'll be identifying schools.
Yeah,
who
we're
need
trying to
this.
do one school right now, but in case this actually works out, we'll branch out.
We'll do more schools. You can help us out with finding schools
Yes,
or people
definitely.
who need it.
Yeah. If you're a person who needs it, please just text Vidvada's this thing, and we'll do some background checking. I guess.
Yeah, we'll be answering everything in
yeah.
Vidvata.
Yeah. Yes.
If it's
Me and
relevant.
Michelle personally, we're actually operating the account. So,
Yeah.
again, no creepy stuff, please.
Thank you. We were talking in
Never talk in Malayalam. This is the reason why I talk in English like all the time, because some
If
people
you want
just
us to
don't
talk in Malayalam, we can do that.
understand. Then we just like explain everything in Malayalam. It's crazy, man. Can we donate gadgets instead?
No, it's better.
Yeah.
Like if you're donating you can't donate gadgets to us.
Because
That's why we're asking.
we're social distancing right now, so it's not all
not
right
possible.
for us to come and actually this thing and
So
yeah. So we're trying to keep this actual money thing. And yeah, you can send the money that you would use to buy a phone or something. You can donate 15K, by the way. Can I donate 15K? I don't know if this is
please don't do that.
Yeah, I mean, people sell their kidneys to buy iPhones now. I think I don't know, man. Anyway, you don't cover the camera, obviously. How long have we been doing this for? I
We're
have
waiting
no
for
idea.
you all to ask questions because we've actually
And are we-
explained.
Yeah, we've explained pretty much everything, right? I don't know. Yeah, I have shared the link with my friends and
Thank
relatives.
you.
Thank you so much for doing that.
Please do that, guys, because
Yes,
we
honestly.
want everyone to know about it. We want this to reach maximum people.
Yeah.
So share with maximum people you can. It's gonna mean so much for us. We really want this to work out.
Yeah. Do you know how much money we have? It's so crazy to think about. Honestly, I'm so not over this. Shit. Crazy.
We'll have a party when it reaches 10K.
Definitely. Dude, do you think it'll reach 10K tomorrow?
Actually, we'll share what's happened on today.
Yeah. Will you refund?
Will you
This is a charity. I don't think.
And it's gonna be very kind of you if you can help those students, because we all should be lucky that we're able to attend online classes right now. And an English, please. There's no minimum. You can donate even a rupee.
Yes.
Even that's gonna make a difference.
Yes, I honestly.
Even if you can't donate a rupee, please do. I don't believe. Maybe like if
Check the 19th of photos and photos. Anonymous. Put $100. Wait.
$10. Guys, so you can you can donate in euros also.
Yes,
That
you
option
can.
is open, so
This is so awesome, man.
you can donate in any currency. I'll see if that working.
I'm sharing 10 of my friends are watching this live. Thank you so much for sharing
Thank
this.
you.
It means so much to us. You have no idea. Okay, sorry, I've just joined. What are these donations? For people who are joining right now, this is donations for online classes. I mean, people who can't access online classes because
Because of these difficult times right now, so
so we're trying our best to help them out. So yeah, that's what.
and
the
we're
donations
hoping
are.
it works.
Yeah, and
We've put the mention for Vidvata we've pinned the comments. So if
So
you
you
follow
can-
Vidvata, you get everything you need to know about the fundraiser in it.
yes,
And
yeah. We're trying to raise around 3 lakhs right now, but
Don't keep it outside, but
yeah, but we're just being it positive.
dude, have it.
And I usually also donate.
Yeah, me too.
It'll be coming out of Michelle's this thing itself. But donate, bro.
Shall I donate my whole property?
Don't do that. You won't have a place to live. Donate through. Again, we have been, yes, Milap, or you can go to the Instagram account mentioned below. It is at Vedvata. What is this?
Alice broke.
Yeah, you can go to the Instagram account and there's a link in the bio which
Literally
will
everything you need to know
Yeah.
about the fundraisers.
Is
There.
there.
So follow Vidvata. We'll be updating you guys.
Yeah,
with
there's another
everything
comment
about
says
the
which all places are you covering? We're covering this one school right now. We're trying
because this is our first step
Yeah.
for it. So if this works out, we'll be doing more schools. Thank you.
God, thank you. Look, it's so sweet. You guys are actually, but only through only through the link or even UPI payment. Okay, I mean once you go to the link, you'll get lots of methods on how to actually give the money. So you can do that, or there's Google Pay, and you can just bank account also. I think. What else is that?
Yeah. There's Google Pay, Phone Pay, many more. There's literally so
you
many
can
sites
you can do it in everything.
and you can donate in any currency if you're not from India.
Yes.
And it's gonna mean a lot for them
Yeah,
if
thank
you
you
could help
so
them
much.
out. This would mean a lot to us too, because we really want this to work.
Michelle's the braces girl.
I'll get a room out of 3 hours, okay? But thank you for calling us mother to
You're funny. get over it.
Ouch. I sold my kidney for you, okay? Don't kill yourself for this.
Dude, you only need one kidney to live, Michelle.
What if he doesn't have one? Everything. I don't like this. Which charity club is this? Gosh.
Oh yeah, we're getting a lot more. I've just come in now.
You wanna send that?
Why do I keep doing this? I took this thing away again.
Guys, if you've just joined and you don't know about this, follow at Vidvata. It's basically we're starting this fundraiser to help students who don't have access to online education, and we've started a fundraiser on Milab. The link will be there in Vidvata. It's an Instagram account we started, so you can donate in Vidvata. It's in Milab, and all those funds we'll be using those funds to buy them resources needed for online classes and whatever they need. So it would help a lot if you could support us.
What did I send? I am totally messing this up, Michelle. Why can't I pin this comment? Look.
Comment. Maybe it's already. Yeah.
It's not
Do
there.
it once more. Do it once. Wait.
Yes, uncle.
Going live.
It's fine, let him come. Oh no.
Wait, we're going live.
It's fine, it's fine.
Guess how
fine.
much we got? We got 6,482 rupees. Hello, Tessa.
Tessa, by the way, you're featured in
Hi,
our live.
Tessa. Tessa, you're on our live right now. You're on our live right now. You want to join live, Tessa, and you want to ask us questions about this?
Yes, I
and
would.
literally we're talking about you in the live right now.
Yep. Okay, pin. Great.
We are in Jawahar Nagar. Yeah. Anyway, where did you stay on the way to Hyatt? Ada, you want
I
to join
shared
the live?
almost.
You want to join the live?
Let her come. I haven't seen Tessa in so long, man.
She was just saying that.
Ada.
Okay,
God.
Ada, we'll come meet you if you want.
Yeah. It was so much fun. Okay, we're getting off topic. This is about a fundraiser.
Yeah. Ada, join it, and you can also like tell.
I shared to almost
Join, come.
40 people
Send
in
a
my
request,
gang.
send
So
a
thank you
request.
so much, you guys. This means so much.
Okay, Tessa's people from Muscat will join. Okay, yeah, join.
Can I get a DM, please? I'm the Mother Teresa guy. No.
Wait.
Can I donate all my organs? What's wrong with these people? They won't donate all organs. You don't have to donate organs. We just need money.
Just even a rupee if
Yes,
you
that's
can.
all we need.
And all we need you to do is share. Even if you can't donate, please share.
Yes, that would mean so much to us. At least like 2025.
Yeah.
Just put in your WhatsApp group and we.
And wait, Tessa will join a Muscat people will join.
Aditya,
Can you mute for?
you can't mute.
Yep.
Michelle will be gone right now and I'm going to be taking over. Hi guys, what's up? Okay. So, I'm going to be alone for a while until she comes back. I'm bored. Oh, Michelle's back. Never mind. Okay, so yes, please donate again. There is the Instagram account mentioned below. Just go to that link. There's a bio, so link in the bio. So just donate that. Yeah, Varanda. I think we're done, right?
Yeah.
We've been live for a little.
Tessa, if you're here, say a hi.
Tessa, come on, we're waiting for you, Tessa. Tessa! We don't want to say that.
Yeah.
Speak at least 2 words in Telugu. Gonna donate anyhow for sure. Thank you so much. I do not know 2 words in Telugu. Do you know 2 words in Telugu? Yes, we don't know Telugu, but I wish I could have said something in Telugu. Yeah, thank you for donating. This guy is spammed a lot. Okay, what is Vidvata? Will you say it once more? Yes, Vidvata is an online. It's an online fundraiser. And we are supporting students who do not have access to online classes right now. We're providing them laptops and more gadgets for helping them with that. So yeah, that is what Vidvata is, and we have set a like, what is this thing called, dude? I forgot. My time. Okay, yeah. You can go follow the Vidvada account below.
Do you request people to join?
Go live with.
Masked people. There's a better terrorist.
Not as I. But actually, even coming Karnam, we've been going live for a pretty long time. We just stopped.
If send request. No, it's not there.
Just an underscore like Tessa. Got it.
Okay.
I got it.
Are you there?
I declined you, Bhagya. Sorry, that was an accident.
It's so far.
Hey, Nara, hello.
Oh! Oh shit!
You want to tell them what the fundraiser is about?
Yes, Tessa is like, Tessa is not part of this.
That's how
She's our friend.
Tessa's sponsored nothing.
Okay, so this is a fun. Dude, I can't see anyone.
You can't? Wait, how are you? Wait.
The whole comments thing, no, it's like blocking the whole. Okay, never mind. Okay, never mind. Never mind. It's okay. What
Yeah.
is it? Sell my kidney and all.
No, leave it.
What is that?
Tell everyone what it's about.
Okay, so this is a fundraiser. This is a fundraiser, and they're collecting money to get laptops and all electronic gadgets for underprivileged kids who can't afford them.
Oh my god, thank you.
That,
Where can they donate, Tessa?
yeah. And I'll be donating when you guys have to donate.
Oh my god, thank you so much. Literally means a lot to us.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they're like Michelle especially is pretty useless, and she's doing something useful for like the first time. She sings actually.
That's She's a YouTube channel.
I do
Check it out,
comedy
please.
also.
She does not do comedy, you guys. She's like the queen of entertainment.
She sings.
Hi.
Bro, I know a lot of people here. A lot of people join. Hey, Musket.
Hey, Musket.
If you guys donate and you send us a screenshot of if you've donated a
Yes.
good amount, we
We
will
will-
be following you.
We will not be following you.
We will be texting.
We will not be put that as our story. Like for us, if
you
you.
guys will give them like a shout out.
Yes, we will do that. Not a shout out, we just,
We'll put you in our story.
Yeah, we'll put you in our story. Anyone who donates, we'll just put the entire thing there. Yeah. Can we?
Yeah.
Wait. Yes, okay.
Tessa, and there's like 2,075 people watching this.
I'm saying. There was more.
There was more.
In my life, 2000, I've never been live with 2,000 people. Okay, Anika's too famous and all. I can't compete.
Oh god.
Tessa's also actress only. Daddy, I will compare to Daddy.
Yes, Cecil is there in movies. Go watch Data Day if you want. She's there in it.
Yeah.
I was like this small when I
Only girl who comes to church by taking a bath.
That's comedy, guys.
Thank you. Anyway.
Okay, I think we should wrap this up right now because it's so.
yeah,
and
please
all of-
donate. It's for a
That
really
was
good
much
cause. Hey, so peace out.
Okay.
Peace out.
Bye. How do you end this? Okay, bye.
And
Yes. Bye.